I've realized recently is that the way you start and end your day determines how you show up in life. If your mornings are rushed and chaotic and your nights are just endlessly scrolling through your phone, it's gonna be really hard to feel put together and beautiful. You're not gonna have enough time for yourself, you're not gonna have enough time to complete your habits. So I'm here to share with you the perfect routine. Stay looking, feeling, and being the most amazing and put together version of yourself. First of all, I wanted to thank you guys so much for helping me reach 15K. This is a dream. You guys are amazing. Remember to follow my Instagram so we can stay way more connected. I can answer way more of your questions. Okay, let me make a short intervention. I'm so excited to finally share what I've been working on for the past few weeks with you guys. I know a lot of you always ask how to actually have a glow up step by step, so I put everything into one guide. It's called the Soft Girl Philosophy, and it includes my routines, workouts, balanced meal ideas, skincare, habits, and the mindset that helped me build a healthier lifestyle. Basically the guide I wish I had when I started. If you want something simple that actually helps you glow up in a realistic way, the link is in my description. Love you! Starting with your perfect morning routine. First, I know this is hard, but try to wake up a little bit earlier than you would. Not dramatically early, like at 5 a.m. if you normally wake up at 6. No, I mean around 20 to 30 minutes, as much time as you think you need for the following thing. This is very important so you're not rushing through everything to try to get to work or to school without having any time for yourself, or just generally rushing and then being full of stress. Second, starting the day with water. I know this sounds very basic, like Noelle, you always tell me to stay hydrated. Yes, of course, it's important, but I am telling you this because many people just wake up, go straight to eating breakfast, or even skip breakfast and then just walk out of the door without being hydrated enough, without drinking water, without doing anything. You have to know that after sleeping all night, your body is very dehydrated. So drinking a glass of water helps wake your body up and get your energy going. You can also keep a water bottle by your night table, and the moment you wake up, start chugging water. Third, getting some movement in. And I'm not talking about an extensive workout that you have to wake up at 4 a.m. for to go out, go on a run, or go to the gym. No, guys. Even something like stretching or a short walk can help wake up your body and help you feel way more alert and ready for the day. Fourth, spend a quiet moment before jumping into the day. This could be journaling, or writing down things you feel grateful for, or just sitting with your coffee and tea for a minute without any distractions. Step number 5. Take care of your skin and get ready intentionally, not just because you're rushing because you have to go at the door. Doing your skincare routine and choosing an outfit with intention can honestly do so much more than you think. It can change how confident and put together you look then. And finally, taking a moment to plan your day. Just choosing your top few priorities so you can be clear on what really matters instead of feeling overwhelmed with all of the things you have on your head that you have to do throughout the week. Now, moving on to the night routine. Honestly, the night routine is just as important as the morning routine because it sets up how the next day begins. First, this is hard, but put your phone away before bed. Even just 30 minutes without screens can help your brain start winding down. But if it's really impossible for you to put your phone down, either get some blue light blocking glasses or at least set your phone on night shift mode like this. This will make your screen go yellow so it doesn't actually keep you all awake. Second, doing a quick reset of your space. Tidy up your room or your workspace so you can wake up with a clean environment. If you have clothes everywhere or your whole desk is full of stuff, it's gonna be way harder to concentrate in the morning. What if you're looking for a certain thing? What if you're just walking around in your room and you trip because you left your clothes on the floor? So it's very important to leave everything clean and tidy the night before. Third, reflecting on your day. This can be journaling, writing down a few wins, or thinking about something you learned that day. Even just writing a small phrase of something that you did that day is gonna help you wind down a lot. Fourth, doing something calming before bed. Reading a chapter of a book, having a cup of tea, or literally anything that helps you slow down. For me, I personally love going to the bathroom, doing my whole skincare, taking a warm shower, and then drinking a glass of water helps me wind down. Fifth, Preparing for the next day. Set out your outfits or get a couple of things ready so your next morning feels easier. For example, if you washed your hair that night, perhaps if you have enough time, take that time to do your hair so the next morning you don't have to rush and worry about it. Or maybe if you have work or school the next day and you know you have to prepare your lunch, you can do that. And just setting up some things that you know you're going to need the next day. And finally, taking care of your skin and hair before sleeping. I think this is one of the most important things if you want to wake up looking pretty the next day. A consistent nighttime skincare routine is one of the easiest ways to maintain healthy skin over time, as well as with your hair. I personally always apply a hair oil on my ends. You can sleep on a silk pillow or with a silk bonnet. And remember to always brush your hair before you go to sleep so it's not all tangled up in the morning. These small changes are going to help you so much, I promise, guys. None of these habits are huge life changes. But when you start stacking small routines like these into your mornings or nights, they really do change how you show up for yourself every day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much and have a wonderful week. Bye bye.